Hi guys, it's BB. Welcome back to my channel, my beautiful monarch butterflies. I hope that all of you are having a lovely day. Alright, so in today's video, we have an unboxing and a review for a website called VIP CROSSSTICH. I'm really excited to go ahead and do the unboxing. They reached out to me and they wanted me to try out some of their products. And so in today's video, I have selected a few of their products for review, and all thoughts and opinions will be my own. Also, their site has a wide selection of items that you can choose from, and they have DIY crafts, they have cross stitching, knitting tools, and even customizable gifts, which I thought was such a cute little thing that they offer. And the ones that I have picked out today were items for crocheting. Love the fact that their prices are so reasonable. You definitely have to go check them out. I will be linking the shop and all product links that you will be seeing in today's video down below, along with a coupon code for 7% off. Let's go ahead and get into it. In terms of shipping, the items shipped out on February the 10th. And it is officially March the 4th when I have received them. So if that's a deal breaker for you guys, I would definitely order ahead of time so that it'll arrive around the time that you are needing it by. They also offer free shipping on purchases over $50, and they have site-wide tax-free, so this does ship from China. Just to save some time and to avoid all the noise, I will be opening this off of camera. All right, so the first item that I picked out here are some plastic floss thread bobbins, and these are like little holders, and you can definitely wrap around some cute little, say for instance, eyelash trim, some embroidery floss, some pretty lace, and I thought these would be great for some happy mail. And this is a set of 20 pieces, and I picked this up for $2.02, which I thought was pretty reasonable. A little more closer. That's how thick it is, which I thought was really nice because I don't have anything like this in my collection, and it's even got a little hole here so you can perhaps hang it on a little dangle or something. Let's go ahead and move on to the next item. Next up, I picked up these cute little needles for crocheting. This I thought was so adorable. I enjoy the print that is on there with the flowers. It's just so pretty, and even this beautiful purple here. I couldn't stop looking at the picture, but to look at them in person, I'm really happy. And how cute would this look while crocheting? They are so cute. You get 8 of them. I am in love and I cannot wait to try these. How cute are those? I am absolutely in love. So these ones were on their site for $6.54. Yeah, I thought that was a really good price for crocheting needles this adorable. So this at the very end is plastic. I hope y'all can hear that. And this, of course, is metal. All right, let's go ahead and move on to our next cutie. So the next one that we have here is a beautiful Oxford cloth crocheting storage bag. So you can store your yarns in here, and they also have little holes up top. So if you are doing multiples in yarns, then you can have them come out through here and they will help you avoid tangling, which I thought was fantastic because I have ran into that issue before. So let me go ahead and get it out of this packaging, but this is exactly how it will come packaged. And the sizing for this is absolutely amazing. This is such a wonderful size. You even have a little handle here so you can lug it around with you if you're going on travels. If you're traveling in your car, then you can definitely take this along with you. And let's have us a look at zippers too. I very much can appreciate a good zipper. It is not plastic, it is metal. I very much like that. Let's go ahead and have us a look in the interior. So it's got this gray interfacing on the inside, and like I said, you got 3 holes in which you can thread your yarns through. And this print is just so cute. This is how high up it goes. Let me see if I can go ahead and measure this out so you can see the height. All right, we have our ruler here. And 7 inches in height. That's pretty good. All right, and let's have us a look at the front little pocket here. It is just so pretty. I am in love with this. And you have a decent sized pocket in the front as well. This is absolutely gorgeous. I'm so happy and I cannot wait to put my yarns in here and have a cute little space to store them in. And if I ever want to take them on my travels, I can with my beautiful needles and my little tote here. And this cutie was on their site for $13.53. All right, you guys, I hope that y'all enjoyed that unboxing. Here is another look at the fun items that I picked up from VIP Cross Stitch. If you would like to be twinning with me, I will be sure and putting their product links down below along with their shop and also a discount code for 7% off of your purchase. I hope you guys have a lovely rest of y'all's day. VIP Cross Stitch, thank you so much for letting me partake in this unboxing and the trying of y'all's items. I very much enjoy them and I cannot wait to try them out. You guys have a lovely rest of y'all's day. Y'all take care and I will catch y'all on the next one. Bye.